Namaskar to all. Now, today we showing experiment number 2 is a live demo. Look like Western Bridge. So now we start the practical starting with aim. So the aim to determine the resistance of a given wire using a meter bridge and hence determine the resistivity of the material of the wire. Now this practical starting with the circuit diagram. Because in the exam time, it must be required to first you draw the diagram with a pencil and the scale. So as per above the screen, now you showing a one simple circuit diagram. This practical have we want some required materials like a meter bridge, like a one galvanometer, like a three known R value, like a one wire, like a one R box and the rheostat, and one of the unknown R value. Then after we want a one simple key and the batteries. Now first we showing in the screen it is a one meter bridge. This meter bridge starting have a point and ending is a C point. Between A and C you found the middle point is a B. Between A and B again you found the 2 points like MN, and between B and C you showing a two more point like a PQ. In this meter bridge have a center one known wire. The length of the wire it is a 100 centimeter means 1 meter. Now jockey key. This jockey key made with a metal. With the help of jockey key, we found the null point on the galvanometer. Now it is a battery. Look like a rheostat. A one simple key, one unknown wire, and it is a galvanometer. This galvanometer have a one scale in center and the different meter in compare with the voltmeter and the current meter. This G meter have center middle of one scale, and then after left side and the right side you found the 30 division. Look like a one R box. It is a known R box. With the help of R box we found the unknown R value. Now start the circuit. As per the circuit connection, starting from battery plus to A point of the meter bridge. Now C to rheostat upper, rheostat lower to simple key, and the remaining simple key to battery negative. Now from the B for the bridge meter, like starting with the galvanometer plus, now G meter minus to jockey key. Now unknown resistance R we joined between Mn, and the non R box we joined between P and Q. So it is a animation circuit. It's a very easy, helpful in the exam time. Before exam, you showing these animation figures, so definitely you join the circuit very easily. Now this practical has the table. Starting the observations, first we want length of the unknown wire, like resistance wire L from the like meter bridge. So it is a 100 centimeter. We using. After we found the diameter of the wire, so approximately 0.056 centimeter. So now radius of the wire small r is equal to 0.028 centimeter. Sometimes this value given by the examiner on the exam time. Now table. Now you showing this table have two parts like S in the left gap and the S in the right gap. Now starting with the resistance R value. This R value given by the examiner on the exam time sometime. With the help of this R value, we found the first four column from in the left gap, and then after same R value, we found the right gap, remaining column we solve, and then after we solve the calculation. A very easy method. So now, first time here, we showing a live demo, practical number second. So starting with the videos. So each and every student, whenever I want showing in the video very carefully. So here, first, okay. So it is a 1 meter bridge. Now this wisdom bridge made with the 4 R values. 3 is a known value and 1 is unknown. So with the help of 3 non-R value, we found the fourth one is a non-R value, unknown R value. So starting you showing the meter bridge of one wire. So it is the first non-R value on this scale. You showing a very easily. This meter bridge starting one wire. It is a known value. The first known value as per the discussion 4R value, 3 is a known. This meter bridge starting with the A point, and after you showing ending point is a C. Is a long meter scale like a 1 meter. Now you showing 2 points like a P and Q as per our circuit diagram we discussed. Then after you showing a Mn to more terminals, and the B is a middle point. So this meter scale starting from the 0 centimeter and up to you showing it is a long 100 centimeter means a 1 meter is the upper side. The lower side again starting from 0 to ending point is a 100 centimeter means a 1 meter. Now we showing here the galvanometer. This galvanometer is showing in the 0 scale in the between in the center point is a circle is a not working. Now 30 is a left side and 30 is a right side. Now it is a one of the R non-value is a R box. Here some value starting with a 1, 2, 5 is a currency value. So you passing a non-R value from the R box. Suppose you passing 20. So only 20 open. Remaining key should be tied is a compulsory. Okay. Now suppose you passing a 25. So 5 ohms more you open. So it is a 20 plus 5 is a 25. So very easy method how to passing the non-R value. Now the next step. Okay. So you showing here the circuit connection. Starting with the battery plus with a bridge A as per the circuit connection, circuit diagram. Then after C to rheostat upper side is a compulsory. Now rheostat lower, anyone to simple key and simple key remaining to battery negative. Now after we join a galvanometer with the B point is a plus and the G meter minus we join with the one jockey key. Now this jockey key made with the metal. With the help of this one, we found the null point from the galvanometer. This jockey key. Okay. Now you showing here one of the wire. It is an unknown wire, unknown R value. We found the value of this given unknown R. Now between Mn, we connect with the non-R box. So simple connection, very easy. Now after the connection, first we check here. After passing the current from the battery, now switch on. Now you showing here the galvanometer showing in the 0 because we are not working with the jockey key. So first you jockey key put on the A point. So that time you found here the G meter moving in the left side. Okay. And then after we put jockey key on the C point. So that time you showing the G meter moving in the right side. So it is a we check the our circuit is a connection very easier is going very well. Okay. So after complete the circuit connection and we check here it is working very good. Now we starting our practical. So as per table, we have non-value of 20 is the first. But sometimes the examiner not given the value. He asking to all of you, you decide the value. So how can possible? So that time we showing here the without passing the current, the G meter is a 0. So with the help of jockey key, we given the answer how to possible. This jockey key we moving on the wire, and that time we check which value the G meter coming on the 0 again. Suppose that between 30 and 70, the G meter should be common 0. So it is a as per theoretical value. Okay, friends. So now between 30 and 70 is a theoretical value. So as per now table, we remove 20 first, and remaining key we put the tight is a compulsory. So you doing this work at the exam time. Now you showing here the G meter showing 0. Now after we moving the jockey key on the wire. So that time we found here the galvanometer scale now is the left side 30 to increasing coming on 0. Now you show here it is coming on 0. So that time we showing on this scale the jockey key point is it is a 20.5 centimeter as per our observation 20.5. So now this value we retain in the second column. Position of the balance point AD is at 20.5 centimeter. Then after calculation, we found the DC, and after we found the S1. Okay, friends, very easy method. Then after the repeat the practical, like remove the 19, 18, 17 or 18, 20, 18, 16, 14 as per our convenience. So it is the first part over. Now, this table have the second part. So now we found the value of S in the right gap. So that time, how can we possible? So that time we changing the some circuit connection. Now the interchange between the unknown R and the non R box. So in the second part, we joined between P and Q, it is a non R value. So interchange the circuit in the second part, and the between M and we connect here, it is an unknown R value. It's a compulsory in the second part, we found the right gap. Interchange between the R known and the R unknown. Now the same process, we remove the 20 from the R box. Same process, the same value, and then after we moving, first we check the galvanometer. Now he moving both sides in the both end, so your connection is 100% correct. Now after remove the 20 from the R box, now we move the jockey key on the wire, and that time we showing the galvanometer coming on 0, and we note down the value from the wire, from the meter bridge. So you show here, we moving the jockey key, and we showing the G meter reading should be common 0. Okay, so that time we show here, it is 80 from the meter bridge. So this value we note down in the second part. It is value, it is S in the right gap 80, and DC value is a 20, and then after we found the calculation S2. So friends, so now here we showing a live practical live demo. Now again, after we show the tables, we solve the table how to calculation. So after the live demo, live observation, we note down the value. So 20 against we found the value 20.5, 18 against 22, the remaining value we written here. And after the calculation, DC. DC how can possible? Now the value of AD minus means L 100 minus L. So we found the value of DC. Now S1. S1 how can possible? So the equation are in bracket L divided by 100 minus L. So now R, we have 20, then after L is a 20.5 by 79.5. So we get answer S1 is equal to 5.17. Now after remaining calculation, you try itself. Then after S in the right gap, we have the value, the same R value 20, but we found the null point is 80 against 20, 81 against 18, 82 against the 16. The remaining values like a D dash C dash is the same value like a 100 minus 80. So we get 20 remaining values. Now S2. S2 how can possible? So now R is a 20. Then after 20 by 80. So we get answer 5. Now then after the continue, you calculate itself. Now then after again the next column mean resistance S. So very easy. S1 plus S2 by 2 means 5.17 plus 5 by 2. So we get answer 5.08. Then after you calculate the remaining readings. Now then after error. So we want the value of density delta S1, delta S2, delta S and delta P. So now I give you 1 readings with 1 calculation, and then after you found the remaining values. So first we found the value of density. See equation very easily, S in pi r square by L. Now what is the value of S? So as per table, you found the value 5.08 is average value for the first line, first row. Then after pi 3.14 R. Radius of the wire, we have the value 0.028 square, and then by L it is a 100. Now after the calculation, we got answer 0.000125, and then after you found the remaining density value. Next delta S1. Now delta S1, the equation are very easy. Delta L by L plus delta L by 100 minus L into S1. So delta S1 value should be come from the left gap column. Now delta L. Delta L value, it is the least count value of the scale. It is a 0.1, both the delta L 0.1 like L. So first the left gap, you showing a L value 20.5 and the 100 minus L, it is a 79.5. So we put here in the our equation and the S1. So we have the value of S1, the first value 5.17. We put here, and then after calculation, we found the delta S1, the first value 0.03102. Now second equation delta S2. This equation we solve with the help of the right gap. Again the delta L, the same value 0.1, but L. So first row in the right gap, we have the value 80 and 20, and 5 is the average S. So we put here, so 80, 20, and the 5.08 is the value of first S1 from the our S value in the right gap. So we got answer after calculation. It is a 0.03175. Then after delta S, we calculate here delta S1 plus delta S2. So as per delta S1, we have 0.03102 plus delta S2 is equal to 0.03175. So finally we get the answer 0.06277. So then after remaining calculation, you try itself. Now the final delta P, it is a common value. It is only one value. So I give you the equation. So delta P is equal to P in bracket delta S by S plus 2 delta R by R plus delta L by L. Now this equation, we have value of density. So density how can possible? It is coming from the after the mean resistance S density. You try, it is a value is average. So this value you put in the this delta P value. Now delta S. Delta S value again you showing in the column after density like a last two column delta S average value. Then after you put the value of delta R. So delta R, it is a least count of the screw gauge 0.001 centimeter. Like delta L, it is a least count value of the meter scale 0.1 centimeter. Like S, so S is a average value. Like R, it is a radius of the wire, and the L is a 100. Now this value you put in the equation and you found only one delta P value. So friends, it is a very simple practical. I might try best to give you it is a live demo because it is a critical condition we are not meet in the laboratories, but hope so you showing these videos and retain all the links in your record books respectively. After open the school, we again the showing this live practicals in. Okay, so bye.